A passenger on board an Indigo flight announced just before takeoff from Delhi that he was COVID-19 positive, prompting the pilot to return to the parking bay for the safety of the passengers, sources said. The Indigo flight 6E286 was preparing for takeoff for Pune on Thursday when the man told the cabin crew that he was COVID-19 positive and showed them documents to prove it. In a major twist to the mystery of an explosives-filled car found near industrialist Mukesh Ambani's Mumbai home, the owner of the Scorpio SUV was found dead today. The man's body was fished out of a creek near Mumbai, according to a Thane police officer quoted by ANI. A case of accidental death has been filed. The sensational development saw the opposition BJP demanding answers and a thorough probe in the Maharashtra Assembly. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Friday said Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap were raided in 2013 as well, but no issue was made out then as it is being done now. Refusing to comment on individual cases, she said it is in the national interest to know if some evasion is happening. The Income Tax Department on March 3rd began raids on the homes and offices of Pannu and Kashyap, as well as his partners, who launched the now shuttered production house Phantom Films. Mamata Banerjee will contest the Bengal election from Nandigram and vacate her own seat of Bhawanipur in Kolkata as she takes on the challenge flung at her by Shubhendu Adhikari, her one-time right-hand man who crossed over to the BJP in December. She hinted at contesting a second seat while reading out the names of candidates. When she came to the Tollygunj seat, she said, "I can also contest." But her party later clarified that she was joking. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has released a circular announcing that certain services regarding the driving license and certificate of registration can now be availed completely online. This means from now on, using Aadhaar authentication, voluntarily anyone can renew their license, get a duplicate RC and similar services without visiting the Regional Transport Office. The Narcotics Control Bureau on Friday submitted a charge sheet against 33 persons, including actor Rhea Chakraborty, before a special court in Mumbai in connection with the drugs case filed following actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The NCB claimed to have found a link to Chakraborty following the arrest of alleged drug peddlers. The NCB said Chakraborty, Rajput's cook Dipesh Sawant and his manager Samuel Miranda bought drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput on his instructions.